Now the operator is showing you the stud gun. He is showing now the push button, after which the stud is welded. This is the flash shield and this one is the feeder tube through which the stud is coming to stud gun. For manual stud welding, the stud gun is taking 7 kind of a feedback, and after ensuring those feedback, only by pushing the trigger button the stud is getting welded to panel. Now we are seeing how the operator is welding manually the studs on the panel. He is guiding the stud gun on the bush which are located on the fixture. Once he locates the gun in that bush, he is putting a manual trigger button to weld the stud on dash panel. There are a set of conditions without satisfying which the stud cannot be welded manually as well. The first one is the gun should be perfectly perpendicular to the panel. Second constraint is the flash shield should be in completely contact with the panel. The third and most important factor is the scaling factor. The stud uplift should be as per the standard of the stud gun, without which the stud cannot be welded properly on the panel. So all the 7 basic conditions of stud gun controller has to be satisfied to obtain a good stud weld. So this basic 7 critical condition has given us a trigger. We have checked the PCB card of a stud gun controller and found out the 7 specific inputs which was relating to those 7 critical conditions required for spot weld. We got the required potential drop in the control circuit, but how to hold that and how to convert that combination to automate stud welding, that was a factor. We carried it out with in-house development of a PCB card which consisting of relays, resistors, diodes and microprocessors. We have programmed the microprocessor through EEPROM. You can clearly see all the inputs are being mapped, which was 7 essential set of critical conditions for proper stud welding. Those are being attached to newly designed PCB, and now the all inputs are being attached to the original PCB card of stud gun controller. Each individual input assigned is being connected to the newly developed PCB to the stud gun controller PCB card. Each input is being mapped and being recorded so that we does the right connection first time right in the circuit. Also care has been taken that the connections we are making are absolutely right and does not refer to any short circuit or dry soldering while doing so. So all the 7 inputs are being attached. Now this we are seeing the innovation combo, how they are being configured. Now the control circuit is installed in the stud gun controller and we can clearly see the relays are fluctuating, which means our experiment is getting implemented. All the 7 inputs, those are being stored in the newly designed PCB card, are now coupled to the PLC. We have made the PLC program and we made a programming such that when all 7 critical conditions are being satisfied, then only PLC give a trigger to stud gun which facilitate us to do auto stud welding. As now we are moving to Industry 4.0, so we thought why we cannot make stud welding process as an excellence one, which will set a benchmark to other industries. The innovation what we have done in conversion of manual stud welding into automated stud welding has given a birth of a radical thought, why cannot we automate the process fully? This has given birth to the concept of cobot, that is the human collaborative robot. We have mounted the stud gun over the cobot axis. We have made an attachment wherein which we can mount the stud gun. The cobot is just doing the guiding of the stud gun on 48 locations where the stud is going to be welded on the panel. You can see clearly from the video that the cobot is guiding the stud gun. The stud gun is just placed above the panel and the stud is getting automatically welded. So the cobot was not being feasible or was not possible if we haven't done the manual stud welding into the automated stud welding. On the both side of the panel, total 48 studs are being welded. We are having existing 6 running variant of Scorpio. Each variant is being made on cobot and cobot is programmed like that. Digitization and simplicity are the 2 crucial areas through which we can cater the Industry 4.0 initiatives or the aims. So in order to make happen the real-time position of the cobot or the stud gun, we have mapped an HMI wherein which each stud position is being marked on the panel, wherein when the cobot is moving to particular location, that location is being traced through HMI. All the cobot parameters like current, temperature are being mapped on the HMI for instantaneous value monitoring. The quality aspect is also being taken care of very well. every stud is being welded with a particular amount of current, and that current is being monitored on HMI. This is a unique thing we have tried, and we have also like to say that we have applied it for patent. There are